Now we are going to do the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore. Now, how to do the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore? Same basic process. We will be starting with ore concentration, enrichment or ore dressing. So what do we do in this case? When we have to enrich the copper sulfide ore, we are doing it with the process of froth flotation. Now in this process we take the powdered ore, mix it with water and add small amount of pine oil, and this mixture is called a slurry. So slurry, that is mixture of water, pine oil and ore, is taken in this vessel and compressed air is passed through it. When we pass the compressed air, then due to the difference in the wetting properties of the ore and the gangue, ore gets wetted with oil and rises up, being lighter it rises up along with the froth, and the gangue being heavier settles down at the bottom. So in this way the ore is enriched. Now the next step is conversion of sulfide ore to oxide. So enriched ore is now to be converted from copper sulfide to copper oxide. As it is sulfide ore, so roasting is done. In roasting, this ore is heated in excess of air. On heating, we get copper oxide and sulfur dioxide. Now the next step is to convert this copper oxide to copper. That is reduction of copper oxide. Now as you know that copper is a less reactive metal, so copper oxide is reduced to copper by the process of self-reduction or auto-reduction. Now how is this done? That this reaction is not completed and at a certain time we have copper oxide along with copper sulfide in the reaction mixture. When this is heated, then these two compounds reduce, auto reduction take place and we get molten copper. Through this molten copper, sulfur dioxide is being evolved. So sometimes on the surface of the molten copper we see certain blisters. So the copper thus obtained is called blister copper. Now the last step is electrolytic refining. The last step is refining, but as we are refining this matter by the process of electrolysis, so this is called electrolytic refining. Now what is done in this case? We take an electrolytic cell, okay, and in that cell we have to use two electrodes, right? So anode, A for anode, C for cathode. So anode connected to positive terminal, and anode is a thick sheet of the metal which is to be refined. On the other hand, cathode is a thin sheet of the same metal which is to be refined. And electrolyte is an acidulated aqueous salt solution of the metal which is to be refined. Now this electrolytic refining method is generally used for the refining of less reactive metals like copper, zinc, silver, okay. So in this case we are doing refining of copper. So anode is the thick sheet of copper which is impure, cathode is a thin sheet of pure copper, and electrolyte is an aqueous solution of copper sulfate, and it is mixed with few drops of acid so as to enhance its conductivity, make a good conductor. On passing electric current, the following reaction takes place. At anode, copper loses 2 electrons and forms copper positive ions, right? So loss of electrons is taking place at anode, so we say oxidation is taking place. Now these copper positive ions move to cathode, right? When these ions move to cathode, they gain electrons. So copper 2 positive gains 2 electrons and becomes solid copper. So at cathode the reduction of cations, copper cations takes place and copper gets deposited on the cathode. Now due to the presence of electrolyte, the sum total of the cations remains same in the electrolyte. But during the process, the anode gets consumed because the pure metal has now been transferred to the cathode, whereas the cathode becomes thick. So this hole becomes cathode because pure metal is now deposited on this. So ultimately anode vanishes, impurities settle down at the bottom of anode as anode mud, and these impurities are also having some precious metals like silver and gold, and then you can remove the cathode, remove the electric connection, the wire connecting it to the negative terminal, and you get your pure copper. So that's it with the extraction of copper from copper sulfide. Thank you.